Now we have to make this part right here, and it does have a bulge in this place. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna deselect that and extrude it down just like that, and the SZ0 to make it even, then GZ that, then wait, this one the active element, S, oh my god, this one the active element, SY, push it there, then pull this one up, with that pull this one up to, oh no. Let's push it to this side, let's make one more here, let's make a room for that, let's move it there slightly, and let's get one more there. Let's push it up like that, push this one up like that, seems about right. Then GZ, this one is always on the perfect place, GZ that, no, okay, GZ, no, let's push this back here, then SC, the same thing for now. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold Alt, then GX and push it right in the edge. It's SC0. GX. Let's make it flat for now so that we can make the curve. Now let's have 3 Alt S, push it up, push it outside, deselect these two, Alt S, push this up a little bit more, great job. Now it's already looking good. But the thing is, I'm having some doubt about this part right here. Or maybe we can do that. You know what? Let's just do it. Alt S, put the Alt S working here. Yeah, it is working. Alt S, this should be good. That should look good. It is nice. So let's have the PRF. Let's look at the side right here. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. This slope should exist, so it's fine. Now we're gonna extrude these things right about there. SC, do that. Okay. RX like that. SY, then again RX, pull it up, SY right there. Should we let's move it a little bit outside, like just that. Okay, pull it up. Maybe we should get one more here, just one right off. If it causes any problem, mind the thing, the more vertices you have like this, I mean the more edge or vertices you have, it does not mean that it will be smoother. Most of the time it does not look good and it will cause some problems in the overall geometry. So if this causes any problem, I will make sure to not. So if that causes any problems, I will remove that. So that should not be an issue. And this is the outer circle. We're done it here. So let's let's align this. G, like that, double G. Okay. S, just